Islam on you. They forced you to become a Muslim now.
Why some people are just something else? I don't know. I bet una not come for me. Oh. DYNA EKWUEME na her live stream I dey since when she dey talk about the narrate. She do video about the language when she don't know for Arab. Then people start talking to her. DYNA, be careful. DYNA, country when human rights not dey. DYNA, country when this not dey. DYNA, no, say a lot. Say the when she did that part, I feel her deep pain inside her, So they social media, they receive bad comment, insulting, those things, not really good. No matter how person strong reach, it's not really good, you see, because on the end of the live stream, she say, if na not see her upload a lot of things when they happen, me I be look you like say strong woman, my sister DYNA EKWUEME. I know no matter how you strong reach, something must still, one day you must still feel why these people really hate me. Maybe you will put yourself down, analyze yourself. Why these things like this? Why things are just, anybody I try to talk to, anybody I try to help, they always come against me at the end, Sometimes it's like that. And secondly, my beautiful people, any country you find yourself, like person like me, whether you dey any country, so far it dey peaceful for your body. The reason why we dey talk about my beautiful sister DYNA EKWUEME, may I quick choke mouth for that part. The reason why we dey talk about those country, then they be safe. For me, I not say they not safe. At least as your children dey, and they know if you go school, you dey see, and at least all of us understand about that. You say online school, or you dey teach them for house. But if na place like all those country, you go fix. And some things dey, you understand, when person dey look, e just be like when you dey Nigeria at that time, when you dey fear while your husband still remember say na so many of us still be. Many people when they come to your DM, they dey fear for you. You still understand say they dey fear for you, but no be that extent when they go dey like the comment can be like bully, But for the other side, please and please, you just say you still be 28 years. I still look as my junior sister, Wetin I go tell you, just be strong, you understand? Just be strong. Those people need, when they come to your DM to talk to you, then they fear for you. But now you, when you dey there, now you come, educate talk, say, that place safe. Will not be as people they talk, will not be as, as you just first talk for your live stream. I know, so you they vex. You say, maybe talk about human rights. Nigeria people, when they will go village, go carry children out of village because of say they want help the children. At the end, the children turn to slave. The children no go school. Some go even give the children some to the hawk. Some go even give the children, house to clean from morning till night. I really understand. You really talk and say which country is safe, if you not go UK, you not go America, you not go Germany, Italy, people not they know say na abroad. Abroad mix say if you don't travel, come out for your country. If you be person when come across this my China, you don't travel out of your country now abroad. The difference when we dey talk at least small things they when we talk, yes, at least small things they like. You now you say Saudi Arabia is good, you want me they treat you like they are women, now so when you see this maybe America side, the other side UK, now so they still they feel. And secondly, wetin we still need to know, no place when bad no dey, no place when good no dey, including this place France where me dey stay. So the day I go open my mouth talk the bad experience I have, I no believe say some people go even like to come out for Nigeria enter, but the day I will talk about the good part, in fact all my village people they want pack enter. You dey see no place when bad no dey and no place when good no dey. Where you for the receive your daily bread and you dey feel dey make money take care of your children, dey break, dey dark for you, that place na your second heaven. Yes, and I even still hear for her live stream just now say Kuwait na their currency high pass. Hey, my sister Limatu, abeg you send some for me. Abeg my beautiful sister DYNA EKWUEME, I feel your pain just now. Just try be calm. People when they batch on you, they send you message whether they never do this one. I beg, if you not like Percy China, you know what to do. just waka pass. Yes, now wetin I for me wey I never be content creator it to be. Remember by tomorrow, you no know day when you go break it tomorrow. You fit just sleep, you wake up say I wan start YouTube or I wan open social media platform, any platform. Then you dey receive insult, bullying, talk. E no good. E no good at all. Our country when we dey talk, no be say e safe. See Edo that day, Benin, see as dey kpai person alive, put I no wan measure am. No place really safe. So like this country wey me dey so, e hard before all those kind thing go fit happen. That kind thing say daylight, just pour something for person pikin body. No now, e no fit. And maybe that place when she still dey so Sâudi, I believe say that kind thing no fit happen, but e happen for my country, Nigeria. May we be careful and may we know how to dey batch on people. E no really good. See, at the end of the live stream, I was so touched. I don't even, as I take get the vibe to take talk from the beginning, but now I feel so touched. DYNA EKWUEME, gather yourself. I know it's not easy to relocate. Just be strong. As we dey see you, you are a strong woman. You are, learned woman. Just be strong. Never give up. Okay? I know it's not easy. Lady when they travel before, they well, has get full. Now, nothing like that. You need to fix by yourself. See here when you don't carry for how many months. If you dey Nigeria, you don't change them. You see, now wetin we dey pass through when we did this abroad. Now wetin we dey pass through, I know it's not easy. Just keep pushing. God is your strength. Okay, my people. Now this one I get to tell you. Now go still leave una. Be una don't fair watch or now I watch. I don't know how I want to do the video. May una just enjoy the video. Drop your comment in the comment section. Encourage her. Okay, the comment I want to see a comment of encouragement. Encourage her. Encourage her. Nobody. She not be Muslim. Salam alaikum now. Peace be to you or peace be to this house if they enter house. Now just greeting like God bless you, all those things. Now it be. May we know. No be today me no say salam alaikum, alaikum salam. That is God be with you. May everybody, may we try to respect ourselves. Now wait till I get to talk. I'll see you in my next video. Do well to join this beautiful family. Ciao, ciao.
You know how someone will come out and say, oh, someone is in India, or someone will say, oh, someone is in South Korea, or there's somebody in China, or there's somebody in Japan, or there's someone literally say one country that is not UK, or US, or Germany, or Italy. The next thing you hear is, hey, what are Nigerians doing there? Or 4 countries, this backyard, or this one, or that one. They start saying things that they've heard about that country. Things that the majority of, people commenting there were mostly about human rights, which we're going to come to. Highly debatable. How can I be in a country where Jesus Christ. One even made a comment that, oh, they've already started imposing, because I greet, is a form of greeting here, to say assalamu alaikum. You go in somewhere, whether it's a taxi or a shop, wherever you go to, it's normal. Assalamu alaikum. It's like you saying hello, or you seeing your brother or sister in Nigeria and saying, hi, guy, how far? It's normal here. It's like a normal greeting here. Some came to my DM, hey, so they've imposed Islam on you. They forced you to become a Muslim now. Now you are a disgrace to us. People type, be careful, be careful. You'll be this, you'll be killed. Before you can turn your... I seriously do not want to get emotional talking about these things, but the sheer... I've mentioned it so many times. I sympathize with people who came here and had the worst experience. I sympathize with people who came here and because they came here in search of greener pastures, what they met was a different thing altogether. It doesn't mean that in your country, Kenya, in Nigeria, in South Africa, that worse things don't happen. Most people point here that, oh, when maids come here, they are brutally, may not to go there, let's go there. Maids in Nigeria make it to the news. And we're not talking, when we're talking about Saudi, these are adults, grown women that left for greener pastures. Some Nigerian women go to villages in the name of poverty alleviation, in the name of, oh, they want to help somebody's life, they pick up a young girl underage, some of them 80. Tired of the comments. When I see hypocrisy, you know, it's easier for people to be pointing, oh, this country is this country is that, but we don't look inwards. Let's talk about it. You go to villages where you know that some of these girls, they can't even feed. They don't eat 3 times in a day. You pick them up. You pick them up from their parents, most of them with their families, 12 children, 10 children, 8 children, in the name of, oh, you need a help. You need to help this family. You need someone to come and help you with housework and your children. You pick up a 7-year-old. You pick up an 8-year-old, 9-year-old, 10-year-old, 11-year-old, 12-year-old. Mind you, you can never, ever do this in the West. Let's just be truthful. You can never pick, no matter how poor or poverty-stricken that person is, you can never ever pick up a child of 6 years, 7 years, 8 years in the guise of you want to alleviate the person from poverty. So the person can be living with you. So the person will help you with house runs. So that you can help the person's life and help the family's life. You can never try that in the West. Some of these women, they take these children to Lagos, Port Harcourt, Abuja, let's just say outside of their village. And then what do they subject them to? Beating. A 7-year-old will wake up by 5 o'clock, will sweep, will mop, will prepare food, will prepare your children to go to school. Your children, 8-year-old, 9-year-old will continue to stay in your house. Years and years. Some of these women, they don't even bother to put those kids in school. Can we start there? Because it's easier. It's easier to point hands at Saudi Arabia, but let's talk about human rights in Nigeria. Let's talk about human rights in Nigeria. Because there's no country and name it, be it, you want to call it the G7, is part of NATO, is part of this, that don't have its faults. Let's start calling. I can say Assalamu alaikum. It doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean that someone has been what the person said was Islamite. Oh, Jesus Christ. I was even weak. The few things I share, they are really seeing me and I'm really a serious target. I want to go off. My husband will be like, no, just keep going. Keep going. Find strength in whatsoever. And he has been amazing, you know, just supporting a whole lot of things.
He don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast.